Good evening, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Tonight's letter arrived on digital parchment that still feels warm with emotion. So, let's give it the stage first. Dear Anthony, I'm 34, male, and I recently met a woman through a reputable marriage agency. 5 minutes after we sat down, she said my profile sounded fake, accused me of lying about my job and hobbies, and walked out. I froze, watched her code switch away, and then spent the rest of the afternoon replaying every line I ever written about myself. Now I'm embarrassed, furious, and convinced I'll be labeled a fraud forever. What do I do with this big failure? Friend, you're in the right place. Pull up a metaphorical beanbag, because we're going to unpack the suitcase you've been lugging around since that day. First, let's normalize esteem. Neuroscience research by Naomi Eisenberger at UCLA shows that social rejection lights up the same brain regions as physical pain. Translation: what you felt wasn't just in your head. It was your head, your heart, and a couple of nerve endings yelling. So take a breath. Pain is not proof you did something wrong. It's proof you're human. Now, about that fraud forever narrative, say hello to our old friend, catastrophic thinking. The brain loves an over-dramatized sequel. Psychologists call it the availability heuristic. The most vivid, recent event hogs the mental spotlight. One abrupt exit feels like a pattern, but it's just one data point. You wouldn't fire the goalie because of one unlucky ricochet. Let's rewind to the accusation itself. People carry confirmation bias like a favorite playlist. They hear what matches their expectations and skip what doesn't. Your date came in suspicious. Every syllable you uttered got filtered through. Is this guy legit? When she found no instant reassurance, she bolted. That says more about her lens than your resume. But here's where I turn the mirror gently toward you, because growth loves sunlight. Ask yourself, did your profile lean aspirational? Not a crime, by the way. We all sprinkle a little Instagram glitter on our life. Yet transparency is the currency of matchmaking. Counterfeit notes get sniffed out quickly. So perform a profile audit. Read it aloud to a brutally honest friend. If you wrote avid triathlete, but haven't seen your running shoes since 2021, downward to occasional 5K dreamer. Authenticity is magnetic because it clears the fog for the right person to find you. Next tool, self-compassion, courtesy of researcher Christine Neff. Tonight, before sleep, place a hand on your chest and even repeat 3 lines. 1. This hurts. 2. Rejection is part of the shared human experience. May I be kind to myself in this moment? This isn't woo-woo. Meta-analysis shows self-compassion reduces cortisol and boosts resilience more effectively than positive thinking alone. Now, let's practice a re-entry strategy. I call it the 3 R's. Rewrite. Update the profile with facts that will stand up in the courtroom and still make you proud. 2. Rehearse. 2-minute story drills in front of your phone camera. When you can describe your job, hobby, and favorite failure without flinching. Number 3. Reconnect. Once you feel grounded again, step back into the arena. Reach out to the agency or explore other paths, friend introductions, hobby meetups, even solo adventures that naturally bring new people into your life. Remember, the goal isn't to find someone who validates a polished profile. It's to meet someone who recognizes and cherishes the messy, beautiful, evolving reality that is you. One more thing, dear friend. This moment does not define you. It's a footnote, not the headline of your life story. You are not a fraud. You are a work in progress, just like the rest of us. And somewhere out there, someone is looking for exactly your kind of unfinished, earnest, remarkable self. Until then, hold your head high, walk forward with kindness, for yourself most of all, and trust that the next chapter will greet you not with suspicion, but with the simple, profound joy of being truly seen.